Okay, so I would just like to give a huge shout out to Miracase. They sent over these cases for me to review for the iPhone 12 mini. Now on this side, I do have the glass screen protector iPhone 12 mini case, and on this side is a silicone case. And you know what? Let's just get right into it. Roll the intro.
Let's see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so the price point for these, and I love what Miracase did. They set these price points at a very affordable price. Now on Amazon, you can pick up the glass protective case for around $20, but on their website, it goes for around $30. And for the silicone case, you can pick it up on Amazon for around $15. And on their website it goes for around $25. So it's about a $10 difference between Amazon and their actual website. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below. Now there's 3 colors for the glass protective case. They come in a black, blue, and orange, which I do have all 3 colors right here. Now for the silicone case, there are 6 different colors. I only got 4 of them. They come in a black, a navy blue, a midnight green, a clove purple, a sand pink, and a wine red. Okay, so let me go ahead and unbox these and get into how the material is, the look, the feel, just the overall functionality of these cases. Okay, so now I do have all these unboxed. As you see, I do have the navy blue, the clove purple, the wine red, this midnight green. You got your blue, your orange, and your black. Okay, so before I go ahead and talk about how these look, feel, and all of that, I do want to give you some quick specs. Okay, so for the silicone case, as you can see, it has a full body protection. It is a more minimalistic look if that's what you're going for. You have your anti-fingerprint with this matte look, scratch resistant. It's very smooth to the touch. You also get your 1mm raised above screen design. So on the outside of the phone right here, this phone edge is raised 1mm above the screen so that you can protect the screen when the screen is facing face down, and you also have your 1.3mm raised edge around the camera bump. Okay, then also you do have your soft fiber lining which protects your phone on the inside, and this is only for the silicone case. You also have drop protection strengthened. You have your flexible buttons, your full 360-degree protection. And then you also have a 3-layer structure. So on the inside of here, you do have a soft microfiber lining which protects the edges from scratches. You have a hard structure PC between the silicone and the microfiber lining. And then you also have the liquid silicone on the outside which covers everything up. And it helps with shock absorption, soft touch, and also is fingerprint resistant like I said before. Now for the glass case, now this glass case is for the individuals that are more prone to dropping their phone. This gives you a more all-around protection. So you have your 360 all-around protection, scratch resistant, drop resistant, oleophobic coating, which prevents from fingerprints, watermark resistant, built-in tempered glass screen protector, protective front case, rugged clear back shell, and a shock absorbent cover. On the glass case right here, you do not have that microfiber lining on the inside, so if you do get some dust, dirt particles in here, you might run the chance of scratching your phone if that's something that bothers you. You have your drop protection, extra cushioning on all 4 corners, protects your phone against falls and bumps, thickened raised corners to resist impact, military standard. On the glass case one, you do have a 0.08 inch raised frame that protects your screen. You already have a glass cover covering your screen, so it's more to protect the screen on the case instead of the screen on your phone. And then you also get your 0.05 raised edge that protects the camera lens on the back side. 9H tempered glass film keeps your iPhone screen always safe. Now, one thing I would like to mention about these is that you are able to use the wireless charging feature with both of these. For the silicone case, I know for a fact also works with MagSafe. I was watching another YouTube review, I think it's like Xander Round or something. I'll put his YouTube video right here. He did show off the MagSafe protection right here. Obviously, it's the magnet on that is not as strong as if you were to get a case that already has a magnet built into it, but you are able to use the MagSafe as well on here. And also you are able to charge up the glass protection screen wirelessly. Now the MagSafe, I'm not too sure about, but the back of here is not that thick, so I'm assuming that the MagSafe will also work if that's something that you're interested in as well. So you want to remove this protective film right here before you install it, and then there's also protective film on the back as well before you install it. So To open this case up, what you want to do is just peel back the silicone right here, and then it just pops open just like that. And then there's also another piece of plastic on the inside which you would want to remove. And now you want to be careful when you're doing this, and I'm probably not going to do this for this video because I'm not using this phone permanently, but you want to make sure that there's no lint or fingerprints or dust on here so that you don't have to worry about it when it's in here. I'll just go ahead and wipe this off really quickly. You set it inside of the case on the front side, and then you just pop it back into the rest of the case, and there you go. Like I said, you have your full protection around this whole thing. For the button function on the outside, you do have easy access to the volume rockers right here. You also have access to the silent switch right here. You have your nice cutouts on the bottom side right here for your charging port, and then you also your screen. The nice camera rays around the camera bump. I mean, this glass case right here, I could actually see myself using this one probably more than a silicone case, even though I like a minimal look. But the iPhone 12 mini is just such a small phone that going with this case and with the extra protection on this case, you won't notice a big difference when you have this case as opposed to the silicone case on here. Okay, and so for the silicone case, obviously it's a lot easier to slip on and off. I really like this case as well. I'm more of a minimalistic type case person when it comes to any phone case that I'm looking for. As you can see right here on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I do like the clear case, very minimalistic. I don't drop my phone that often, knock on wood. So that's the kind of case that I normally go for. So this silicone case to me is right up that alley. One thing that I would like to mention is that if you do drop this from a high enough distance, the case might pop off. It doesn't sit on the phone as snug that I would like to have it, but it is nice to the touch if you want to go for an even minimalistic look. You're not prone to dropping your phone. This one might be something that you might go for. You have your volume buttons on the left or right side, easy access to, also access to the silent button as well. Nice camera rays on the back side, even though it is off-centered. I tested out all of these. The camera race is a little bit off-center from the camera. If you're like OCD-ish and that's something that'll bother you, you might want to look at that before getting this case. You have your nice ports on the bottom side for your speakers, and then your charging port, and the power button on the right side of the phone works just as well as the volume rocker button. Overall, very good case. I really do like the very low price point, $15 to $25 for the silicone case, $20 to $30 for the screen protector case, depending on where you get it, Amazon or the websites. Very good quality, nicely made. I do like the overall protection more on the actual glass case. Just because the phone is so small, it doesn't really increase the size of the phone. If you have this glass case on one of the bigger iPhones, then I can see it probably being a big difference. But with the small footprint of the smaller iPhone 12 mini, adding this extra protection to this case, there is really no big difference in holding it. Now, if you just like the better colors on the silicone case, go ahead and rock with a silicone case. And for the lower price point on these cases, you can buy multiple ones at the same amount for one price of an out-of-box case or some of the more higher-end Apple cases. And yeah, people, that's all I got for you. That is my quick short review for this iPhone 12 mini case from Miracase, the silicone ones and the glass protection ones. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if this is your first time here to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.